The journey of authentic chocolate begins here, in the heart of the tropics.
The cacao tree grows its precious fruit directly on the trunk.
Only perfectly ripe pods are hand-selected for harvest. Gathered with care, ready for the next crucial steps.
Inside, the beans are nestled in a sweet, white pulp. These seeds are the raw foundation of all chocolate flavor.
Flavor development starts here, in natural fermentation boxes. Over several days, natural heat transforms the beans' chemistry. Once fermented, they are spread out under the intense tropical sun. Constant turning ensures every bean dries evenly, locking in flavor. The dried beans are bagged, ready for their global journey. Crossing oceans to reach our state-of-the-art processing facility.
Our logistics team monitors shipments precisely to ensure freshness.
First, rigorous cleaning removes any foreign materials. Next, the beans enter massive industrial roasters.
Roasting develops the complex aroma we recognize as chocolate.
They are rapidly cooled to stop the roasting process at the perfect moment. The winnower cracks the beans and blows away the inedible shell. What remains are pure cocoa nibs, the essence of the chocolate. Heavy stones grind the nibs, releasing natural fats to create cocoa liquor. The transformation begins in these massive granite stone mills.
Dry, roasted cocoa nibs are introduced to the relentless pressure of the stones.
The immense friction generates heat, releasing the natural cocoa butter locked inside.
Experienced operators monitor the process, ensuring the perfect consistency is achieved. Slowly, the crunchy nibs yield, transforming into a thick, flowing liquid known as cocoa liquor.
Friction generates significant heat during grinding. Operators must constantly monitor the temperature to ensure the delicate flavor notes are not destroyed.
This flowing paste is known as pure cocoa liquor. To ensure smoothness, the liquor passes through heavy refining rollers, crushing particles until they are smoother than silk. Then begins conching, a long process of intense mixing and aeration. Ingredients like sugar and milk are added to create our signature blend. Hours of knaading develop the final flavor profile and texture. Tempering is the science of precise heating and cooling for the perfect shine. At crucial stages, samples are drawn directly from the line for rigorous testing.
The levels here are stable, confirming the previous batch results.
Good. We can proceed with the release.
Here, science meets art. Our lab ensures every batch meets exacting standards.
Preparation is key. Even the smallest droplet is prepared with precision for analysis.
We test viscosity to ensure the chocolate has the perfect flow-pro properties for molding.
Every measurement must fall within a strict tolerance range. Microscopic analysis guarantees a flawlessly smooth mouthfeel. Microscopic analysis confirms a particle size so fine it feels like silk on the tongue.
Finally, our expert tasters give their seal of approval.
Finally, machines give way to the ultimate test, the human palate.
The tempered chocolate is ready for molding.
The final transformation begins on the molding line. Each mold is perfectly clean and temperature controlled, ready to receive the tempered chocolate. Precision depositors fill each mold with exact measurements. Our automated depositor ensures precise portioning for every single bar. The liquid gold flows with exact precision, filling every corner of the mold.
Once filled, the chocolate is still liquid and needs to be leveled.
Vibration removes air bubbles for a solid, dense bar. The molds pass over a vibrating table to ensure a flawless finish.
Vigorous shaking forces trapped air bubbles to the surface, creating a dense, solid bar.
They enter long cooling tunnels to set into solid form.
The bars then enter our multi-zone cooling tunnel.
Emerging solid with a perfect snap and shine.
A gentle chill solidifies the chocolate, giving it the perfect snap and shine.
After 20 minutes, they emerge fully set and ready for demolding.
Automated demolders gently release the finished bars. Automated tappers gently release the bars from their molds.
A perfect release every time, revealing the glossy finish.
The naked bars, pristine and perfect, move to the inspection zone. Safety is paramount. Every bar passes through a highly sensitive metal detector. High-speed wrappers seal in freshness in the blink of an eye. Precision mechanics ensure a tight, perfect fold every time. The final branded packaging is applied with precision. Next, the branded outer sleeve is applied,
giving the product its final, recognizable identity.
fully wrapped and ready for the final packing stage.
Our skilled team packs display boxes with speed and accuracy.
Human attention to detail at the final stage. Shipping boxes are automatically sealed and labeled for transport.
Automation helps build pallets efficiently for shipping.
At the end of the line, heavy lifting is done by automation. Robotic palletizers stack the boxes with geometric precision. Secured for safe transport to destinations worldwide. The full pallets are secured with stretch wrap for stability during transit.
Wrapped, labeled, and ready for deployment to our global customers.
Moving from production to our logistics hub.
Dispatch daily to bring joy to customers everywhere.
The journey continues beyond our factory walls.
Finally arriving on shelves, ready to be enjoyed.
Real chocolate, crafted with passion, from bean to bar.